Hi there, I'm Mark from Print Designs, and I'm just going to show you today a new product. It's a Lightbox, but it's battery powered, so there's no need to plug this into a main supply. You can take it and use it at an event or an exhibition without having to worry about trailing cables. Just open this up for you and I'll show you in a bit more detail. Comes in a bag. It's a wheeled bag, so it's easy to move around. Good quality bag. Open it up, I'll show you the inside. So we've got a print here which is produced using fabric, and the print's sewn with a silicone beading. I can show you that in a bit more detail. It's an edging which is sewn around the print, and this allows it to basically push fit into the frame. I'll show you that in a little while. Everything's packed neatly inside the case. As you see here, we've got the frame secured in place with straps. You can open those up. And packed inside here, we've got a transformer, so you can use this to charge the battery up inside the unit, and you can actually run the unit with it connected to the power supply all the time if you want to. So we got really substantial kind of foam packaging, these straps to hold everything in place. You can see that the packaging is really good. The Lightbox can't move around when it's inside there, so this is going to be something that you can transport to and from events without having to worry too much about it getting damaged. Obviously the graphic itself being fabric, we don't have to worry about damage to that through creases and things like that, because it's just textile. It's going to be pulled under tension once we've fitted it to the frame, so this is very durable as well. So what I'm going to do is just pop this down on the floor to take the frame out. The big difference between this Lightbox and ones that are kind of currently available, ones that we've sold before, is this frame uses a very neat fold-in design. The benefit with this is it's more compact. All of the pieces of the framework are pre-attached, so there's no need to manually push sections of the frame together. With battery-powered Lightboxes that we've sold today, the battery has been hardwired inside the body of the unit, which means it's not interchangeable, well, not easily anyway. This is very different. What we've got here are two little thumb screws. You can see these here. Basically, you take those out, like so. Put those over there. What we can do, we can open up this drawer, and inside of here, this is the battery. So this battery is removable. You can see it's connected with a cable. So we've got a digital display on the unit. This shows the battery life. That's usually shown as percentage. And your on switch just here on the side. On the bottom we've got feet for stability, and I'll show you those in a moment. Let's pop it down on the floor. Okay, so as I said before, with this Lightbox, all of the pieces of the frame are already pre-connected together. You don't have to worry about manually pushing sections of the frame together, losing pieces. To assemble it is as simple as just opening it up like that. You've got springs here and here which help the unit to lift. All these hinges are nice and strong. You've got your feet on the bottom to allow it to freestand. And then you've got this piece of framework here, which is just designed keep everything braced. So when the print's on it, everything's held kind of apart, keeps the shape. The electrical connection for the LEDs is already pre-connected into the base, so there's nothing to plug in, no connections that you have to make manually. Just press this button on the side. We've got our power display down here, it's showing us how many percent battery we've got, and obviously all of our illumination from the LEDs on the side. Okay, so I'm going to put the graphic on the stand now, which is pretty straightforward to do. You can put the graphic on when the frame's upright like it is at the moment, but personally I think you're much better off lying the frame down on its back. You're not going to be having to reach and stretch, it's just easier. So just fold the feet in. So I'm just pushing in a little bit of this graphic into the channel here, just to get it started. Okay. I've got a little card here. We normally send one of these out with these displays. It's just literally a piece of plastic like a credit card. Always useful for helping you tuck the print into the frame, and just push any little loose bits of fabric or thread just into the channel there. Okay, so you can actually order these stands with one printed graphic, in which case we'll send you the print for the front and a blank panel for the back, or in the case of a double-sided stand, we'll send you two printed graphics. I'm not going to fit the back panel just so you can see the LEDs when we switch it on. Okay, so we've got our LEDs. This is a specialist backlit fabric that we're using here. There we have it. Illuminated light box. No wires, no cables. Easy to transport. Comes in its own bag. Okay, thanks for watching.